Hello everyone, welcome back to another Unreal Engine tutorial. This is the Game Foundry, and today's video I will show you how to create a realistic flashlight in Unreal Engine 5. Before I start the video, I'd like to ask you to give her a like and subscribe to the channel. We publish videos every week and I hope that I can help you on your journey. Have you done that? Let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is open the third person character. I'm going to put it in first person because it's better to see. And do you know how to make a first person character? We have a video here about it. Having done that, let's add a spring arm component, and inside this component create a spotlight that will be our flashlight. You can add a flashlight model if you have it. I just don't have one here, but if you want to add a cool effect, you can put a flashlight model inside the spring arm component and obviously add a camera rotation delay and maybe a camera delay if you want. And the last thing that we need to do, maybe the most important from my view, is create a flashlight material with light cook. To find a cool texture, you can create it yourself or download a texture from the internet. You can search for light cook texture and import it into Unreal. Change the material type to light function and put the texture. After that, you just need to go to spotlight and search for light function and finally put your material there. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Please give a like and subscribe to the channel. We publish new videos every week and I hope that I was able to help you with this, okay? Bye bye folks, see you next video.